Okay, we're going to unbox the Farmo Water Level Monitor. Let's have a look in here. All right, we've got a sensor, that's the depth sensor, and 1.8 metres of cable. The transmitter, which is going to go on top of the tank. The stainless steel mounting bracket, this is going on top of the tank as well. And finally, there's a little blue magnet, and that's going to be used to activate the device. The assembly for this is going to be really quick. We're basically attaching the cable to the transmitter. You have to turn it until you find the spot. It goes in, you attach that, and after you've activated the device with the magnet, you'll be out on the tank, you drill a hole in the tank for the sensor to go down, and then all you've got to do is attach the bracket close to that hole. That's the Farmo Water Level Monitor.